In the previous video, I already talked about how to import data from Excel file. Now in this video, I'm going to take the log of each variable. For that, I'm going to take, for example, if I'm going to use one variable income, and I will go to quick generate series. First of all, we are going to give the name. For example, I am going to give it a name L income, right, is equal to log, and I'm going to write my series which I am going to use it. Right, it's already here, so income, and I'm going to close the bracket and OK. So here my data for the log is available, right? There was some number was missing, so it's not available here. Similarly, after that, I'm going to take the log for BPC. For BPC, again, I'm going to quick generate series L BPC. It's that I gave a new name to generate a series is equal to log. After that, bracket open, and then my variable was BPC. It's all here, right? Close. Okay, so it's here. The third one is CPC, right? So I'm going to take the log of CPC, quick generate series LCPC is equal to log, bracket open, and CPC and bracket close. Alright, okay, here we go. So some number was missing, log of non-positive number missing, data generated, right? And the next one was BFS. For BFS, same. I will go to quick generate series. It was BFS LBFS is equal to log, bracket open, BFS, bracket close, and OK. Here, all done. And after that, CFS. Similarly, quick generate series LCFS is equal to log CFS. Here, CFS, right? And after that, LU, right? Go to quick generate series LU. LLU is equal to log LU. Okay. And the second last one is WY, right? Go to quick generate series LWY is equal to log, bracket open, WY. Okay, here it's already generated, right? And the last one is RT. Go to quick generate series LRT is equal to log, bracket open, RT. RT is here, so close and OK. All done. So it's how we can take log. Alright, thank you so much.